Hey guys, I want to talk about what is not reported on a credit report. How much money you make, your income is not reported on a credit report. Your religious beliefs, who you pray for, what you believe in is not reported on a credit report. Your ethnicity, that's also not reported. Your interest rate, that is also not reported on a credit report. Any type of utility bills like light, phone, gas, water, insurance, cell phone, that is also not reported on a credit report. Any type of soft inquiry, someone checks your credit report, that gets reported, but you checking your own credit report, that is not reported on a credit report. Your age is also not reported. So because these accounts are not reported on your credit report, they do not play any role on your credit scores. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button. If you have any other questions regarding this tip, any other tip, please send me a private message or hit the link below and schedule your free 30-minute consultation with your credit coach. Thank you.